Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I'll show you if you are facing that your Google Chat doesn't give you notification if chat incoming. So there are three solutions about this. You can do it one by one. It's supposed to be your problem not persist anymore. So first you open your find your Google Chat icon or Gmail icon, and then press and hold, and then click this app info and find this notification. Make sure you turn on this notification like this. You can click show notifications, and for me myself, I don't want notification from Google Chat, so I just turn it off. If the problem still persists, what you have to do, you open your Google Chat, and then we can see the global setting of this Google Chat, and then click this setting, and then there is an option of mobile notification. You could turn it off or turn it on. And then the last thing, if you the problem is still persist, it's supposed to be the problem is on your particular person you want to chat. So you just press and hold on the person, and then click this turn on or turn off notification. That's it. That's very easy tutorial. I hope it solved your problem, and then I hope you're doing well, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.